Hi, I'm Rich Torrey. Welcome to another Level Up Cartooning. All you ever need to follow along with me is a pencil and paper. It doesn't get any easier than that, right? Now, before we get started, make sure you hit the thumbs up and the subscribe button as it helps this channel to grow, and hit the bell so you never miss a lesson. Just a quick announcement. I'll be dropping next week's video a few days early, actually on Christmas Eve. Something a little different, a little special. So don't forget to look for that, okay? So if you were with me last week, then you know we drew Bumble, the abominable snow monster, and Yukon Cornelius from the 1964 classic Christmas special, Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. This week, I thought it might be fun to draw a little Christmas scene featuring Peter Griffin as Santa, about to go down the chimney, along with old Brian the dog as a reindeer. The scene comes from last year's Family Guy holiday special, which incidentally kicked off the 25th anniversary celebration of Seth MacFarlane's incredible creation. It's hard to believe Family Guy has now been around for 25 years. Wow. Anyways, let's draw. We're going to draw our Peter Griffin Santa scene with Brian step by step, giving you the secret formula to be able to draw it again and again. If you've watched any of my other videos, you know I normally use the character's head to figure out how big the entire character is. In our Christmas scene, Peter, in his crouched pose, is exactly 2.5 heads tall. In other words, however tall we draw the basic oval we use to shape out Peter's head, his entire body will be 2.5 of those tall, with a Santa hat sticking up just a bit above that head. Brian is exactly 2 heads tall. In other words, however tall we draw the oval we use to shape out his head in our roadmap, his entire body will be exactly 2 of those tall, not counting his antlers. Okay? So what do you say we draw the roadmap for our Santa scene from Family Guy, featuring Peter Griffin and Brian? So there's a roadmap for our Family Guy Santa scene. Now, before we go on to step 2, I want to give you the layout of our scene using simple shapes for those of you who want to screen grab. Just something to help you when laying out your drawing of Peter and Brian. Okay, so now we're on to step 2. In this step, we do what I call roughing out the features. I want to remind you that until the third and final step, you want to draw as light as possible. You'll see that I use guidelines to help me to position Peter and Brian's faces, features, and overall shapes. You don't want those guidelines in the final drawing, so you want to draw them light enough to be able to erase them easily. Okay, so let's rough out the features for our Family Guy Christmas scene. Okay, so there are the roughed out features of Peter and Brian. So now with the road map done and the features roughed out, it's time for that final step. In step 3, we get to have fun. We get to draw in the final details of our Family Guy Christmas scene. We don't have to guess where to put things because we've already done all the hard work to figure that out. In this step, it's okay to draw darker, but don't press too hard or mindlessly retrace over the lines you've already drawn. The goal is to always draw with an eye on tweaking and improving all the way until the very end. Okay, so let's draw in the details for our Family Guy Christmas scene. And that's how you do it. There it is, our Family Guy Christmas scene with Peter Griffin as Santa and Brian as a reindeer. So how do you think you did? Understand, if you've never drawn any version of Peter Griffin or Brian before, then you can't expect to have drawn them perfectly. You'll notice I don't spend time coloring our Family Guy Christmas scene during this video because I want my lessons to focus solely on the drawing process. Now you have the secret formula, the process for drawing our Family Guy Christmas scene. And with that, you can draw it again and again. And by all means, color it when you're done. I promise each time you draw it, it'll be a little better and a little easier. I also promise the more you work with me, the better you're going to get at all of your cartoon characters. So I'd love to see your version of our Family Guy Christmas scene. If you can, take a picture and post it on either Facebook or Instagram. And don't forget to include the hashtag #LevelUpCartooning. I hope you had as much fun as I did with this one. Remember to subscribe, and thanks for joining me. And again, just a reminder that next week we'll be dropping our video on Christmas Eve. Until then, keep drawing, my friends.